to module 2 in our graphics design 3 days digital marketing class, digital skill class on graphics design and video editing. So this is module 2. Now back to the Canva interface. After you have signed up, you see the interface. What do you see on the interface? You see the search bar, you see the menu bar. Is the menu. If you click on it, it will drop, show you the name, account name, template, project, brand, invite members. 2-3 people can, you can invite people to join your Canva team to create content. So that's the essence of this extension. So then you have categories of content. You can see social media, videos, presentation. You can see documents, whiteboards, websites, and so on and so forth. So the use of this search bar here is you can search for anything you want to design, anything. You can search for logo, you can search for cover, you can search for thumbnail, anything you have in mind, flyers, you can search. Once you search, it will bring out the template. One major reason people love Canva is because it has ready-made templates for anything, everything you want to do. You understand? So you just open it, you start editing, and what have you. You can get down to what you want to achieve. And one thing you also should take note here is that all the templates you are seeing is not all of them that you are able to access, because Canva has the free version and it has the paid version. So but you can get started with the free version. Later on you can consider the pro version. If you want to get the pro version later on, I can help you to get the pro version. So but at least get your feet wet with the free version. So these are all ready-made templates. Now if I click on, let's go to logo, because what we want to start with is logo. So look at logo section and click on see all.
I promise now.